G'day Australia, Coram from Universalfuze and Audiocom here. Guess what? Good news, the VE Commodore Dual Zone audio video fitment kits are now in stock at Audiocom stores and Universalfuze wholesale. So that means you can install an aftermarket AV unit to your VE Commodore if it has dual zone climate controls. These have been long awaited, not been available for some time, but that frees up a whole bunch of options for you VE drivers that have the dual zone climate controls. You can now fit a high quality double DIN AV unit with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, all of those great tricks. We've got Alpine, Kenwood, JVC, Sony in stock. We've got heaps of options for you at the Audiocom stores in Western Australia and online at universalfuze.com.au. Get on, check it out. Come and see us in store. Let us put together a package for your VE Commodore with dual zone climate control, which we can now fit an aftermarket audio unit into. Very exciting times. See you soon.